Well, we've been here about, I'd say 15 to 20 minutes. It's raining again. It wasn't raining, but now it is raining. But we've done a few now already. Got one more bite. Maybe. Knocking out. We got that many going already. Just finishing up this fine ticket here. Never know. Stand by for more. Old Beach Farmers Market. A rainy Saturday morning. Well, the rain has held off. It's cleared up. It's absolutely nice right now. And we got customers. Everybody's got customers. Let's take a spin through here. We got peaches. He sold a lot of peaches today. His table was full of peaches earlier. Seafood man, he's over there. I don't know what that tent's doing up in the middle of the street like that. That's something I can't quite understand. My sunshade. That thing works pretty good. Let's go down here a ways. See what we got. See what line is, right? That lines up fine. There's another guy up here now not from the local guy, but he sells bison. He sells bison hot dogs. Bison. See the hot dogs right now? How you doing, sir? Okay. I'm saying, but he's got them in there somewhere. I smell it. Yeah. This is something new I haven't seen before. Oh, sauerkraut. Oh, yeah, I see it. I didn't recognize it's got a new cover on its tent. There's the donut girl. There's 3 nitroglycerins in one person. Oh my God. You can't, I'm not going all the way down there to the end. You can see it's busy. Spend all my money on vegetables. But I'll eat well the rest of the week. These are canary melons. Only one cantaloupe. They sold all the cantaloupes so I could get there. Never had a canary melon before. I will advise.